Hello everyone, I'm Anjala Shrestha. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing how to make vegan milk coffee and veggie pancake. I'm using half cup of oats and full cup of water. That's it. And I'm gonna blend it in a blender. And this is the easiest way to make vegan plant-based milk. I have already posted an in-depth tutorial on how to make oat milk and almond milk in my old videos. You can check that out as well. After blending for a couple minutes, I'm going to strain it. And we're going to put the strained oats in a bowl and liquid in a mug. So this is going to be similar to Dalgona coffee, but instead I'm going to use blender. The oat milk is already going to be very creamy, so this is just gonna add flavor. And for the remaining oats, we're going to make veggie pancake. I'm adding onion, salt, and some turmeric. You can also add a few other veggies. And I also wanted to try some fried tofu, so yeah. So this is the final look. I also added sesame, and this is the coffee. And also shout out to my best friend for sharing this veggie pancake recipe. It tastes amazing. These are the quick 5-minute vegan recipe that you can try at home. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I will surely bring another easy recipes in future.